In this question, we have the string happy birthday, and we want to turn this into the same string, happy birthday, but with only lowercase letters. So how do we do that? Well, the most obvious way is just to use the lower function directly. Lower is a string method that you can call on a string to turn all of the string's capital letters into lowercase letters and leave the lowercase letters unchanged. So this works. A common mistake that could be suggested is to use a different Python string method, swap case. Unfortunately, this doesn't do what you think it does. Yes, it turns all capital letters into lowercase letters, but it also turns all lowercase letters into capital letters. So that's not what we want. Another thing you might try is to isolate the capital letters in wish. So that's wish 0, make that a lowercase letter. And then wish 6, make that a lowercase letter too. By the way, just to double check, the capital H here is at position 0, and then I can start counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the capital B is at position 6. That's why there's a 6 here. But if we just use this, we won't get what we want. Because this part over here takes this capital H and turns it into a lowercase h. And this part over here takes the capital B and returns a lowercase b. And together we'll just get a lowercase h and a lowercase b. Not that helpful. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to take the lowercase h, and then before putting in the lowercase b, we're going to put in the rest. And this is a good opportunity to practice substrings. We want to add back in this substring of wish. And how do we write that? We notice that it starts at the first character and ends at the 5th character. So something we might want to try is wish starting from 1 going to 5. But remember that the end index here is not included when we take a substring. So if we want to include the character at position 5, we have to write a 6 here. So that way the substring will start at 1 and go all the way to 6, but not include the capital B. Now let's do the same for the rest. We're going to take that capital B, turn it into a lowercase b, and then add the rest of the string, which is everything starting at position 7, and then going to the end of the string, which I can refer to very easily just by leaving the end index blank. Awesome.